Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 real idioms about being pretty in 2 minutes. Number 1. As pretty as a picture. It means perfectly attractive, like a flawless image. Example, Jessie looked as pretty as a picture in her new dress. Number 2. Drop-dead gorgeous. It means stunningly beautiful, almost shockingly so. Example, the model was drop-dead gorgeous on the runway. Number 3. Easy on the eyes. It means pleasant and attractive to look at. Example, that painting is easy on the eyes with its soft colors. Number 4. Pretty as a peach. It means very lovely and appealing, like ripe fruit. Example, your baby sister is pretty as a peach. Number 5. Cute as a button. It means adorably pretty in a charming way. Example, the toddler in pigtails is cute as a button. Number 6. A face that could stop traffic. It means so pretty it draws all attention dramatically. Example, she has a face that could stop traffic walking down the street. Number 7. Pretty is as pretty does. It means true prettiness shows through kind actions. Example, don't judge her looks, pretty is as pretty does. Number 8. Pretty as a flower. It means delightfully attractive and blooming with charm. Example, after her dance performance, she looked pretty as a flower, glowing under the stage lights. Number 9. Beautiful as an angel. It means heavenly, pure prettiness. Example, the child singing was beautiful as an angel. Number 10. Fair as a lily. It means delicately beautiful and pure. Example, the bride walked down the aisle, fair as a lily in her flowing white gown. Hey friends, that's our 10 beauty idioms. Did you look drop-dead gorgeous saying them? Smash like if you learned something, subscribe for more idiom magic every day. See you.